Welcome, everything is a OPPO Reno 5, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, you want to pull down the notification panel and find the Do Not Disturb mode toggle, which for me is right over here. And before you tap on it, you can hold it. This will quickly take us to the settings of it. So from here we can change how it functions. So right at the top, below the toggle, we have the schedule, which will allow you to, as the name implies, set up a schedule. So basically the Do Not Disturb mode will turn on and off automatically at a given day of the week and time. And then it will run for a specific amount of time, provided how it was set, and turn off automatically. Then below that we have exceptions for notifications, for messages, and for calls. And calls and messages have the same toggle. As you can see, anyone, contacts, favorites, and no one. And again, same thing, minus the difference that if, for instance, we set up no one on calls, we do have a specific little toggle right here. So ring for repeated callers. And what it means is that if someone calls us twice within a 3-minute period, which is a fairly tight schedule, so if someone calls us twice within that period, they will get through completely bypassing the option right here. So that is a good option for emergencies. Usually people basically spam call you, they one after another call till you pick up. So this will allow them to actually get to you. Now outside of that, like I said, we also have the allow notifications. So you can tap on it here and you have a couple different notification types. So we have status bar, banners, lock screen, edge lighting, and notification badges. So if you don't want them, then simply keep them off. If you want some of them, then toggle them on. And lastly, we have silent media when Do Not Disturb mode is on. So if you want this, just simply toggle it on. From here, once you have set it all up, you can leave this and find the toggle once more and tap on it to, to turn it on. And there we go, we are now in the Do Not Disturb mode, which you can see right here, that tiny little moon icon. Now if you decided to go with the schedule route, you don't need to turn it on, at least not this way. What you would need to do is go into the schedule and toggle it through here, and this will turn on and off the toggle itself. Now anyway, that being said, this is how you would set it up and use it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.